Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
There are two general types of computer graphics: bitmap images and vector images. These, however, are not mutually exclusive. A single image file may contain both vector as well as bitmap data within it. In order to use Elements effectively, you must understand the basic difference between these two types of files. Bitmap images, or raster images as they are technically known, use pixels to represent image data. Each pixel in the image is assigned a color and a position within the graphic. When you are working with bitmap images, you are editing the individual pixels that make up a larger image. Because of the ability of bitmap images to show subtle color changes, they are most often used for photographic images on computers. However, bitmap images are resolution dependent and can often appear jagged or blurry if they are displayed at a lower resolution than they were created.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.